Let's take a look at how the beep function works. It is useful for creating alerts or notifying users of certain steps in a script. For example, by including a beep line in an if block, you can determine whether the if block has executed or not based on the presence of a beep sound. The syntax is beep, followed by an integer value between 37 and 32,767. This value represents the frequency in hertz. Let's hear how it sounds. There's also a more entertaining way to use this function, as you can create different notes based on the frequencies. I have created a preset that will play Twinkle Twinkle. It requires a pause, so I used the pause function with a duration of 50 ticks. Alternatively, you can use the beep function with a 0 value to add the same type of pause. Here's the final result. That's it. Have fun using this function, and thank you for watching.